Here we are at the tyre shop. What's the time? 5:30 in the morning?
5:30 in the morning.
Freezing cold, going up to see a bad bar. Who wants to be in it? No. Yeah, you too. Where did you guys come from? The bus?
Bus.
Ah, bus. So, fucking early. Here we are at the old fucking tyre Pecora stops. There's the tyre man over there, that's Birt tea stall. There's Bertie. There's Jules, the hater. He wants to call it George's tea stall. But we all know it's Bert's tea stall.
Like always does.
Mate, it's you don't even like fucking tyre. Yeah, you just said I don't really like tyre. Swearing loud, Bert.
I can't swear then.
Is it a picture or film? Smile. Paddy fields, 'cause we don't give a fuck. There's Bertie in the paddy fields, stomping through them, crushing all the crops. And I'm actually walking on a little parkway. It looks dry, but I reckon if you stepped in that, mate. Look at that, look how soft it is, look. Coming in. Right, on that one there, we're going to make it on.
Cheeky bastard. Getting it whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not.
Look, breaking rocks here, mate. It's a little mine. Little local mine here. They're mining stone. Adiom! Namaste! Namaste! Super! Ah! Ek number! Wow! From here, look! Big one! Bert, what are you doing? Falling in the paddy field of ya? Oh mate. Bert, what are you doing? Bert, what are you doing? Cunt. Bertie up at the old sunset point. There's Bertie there, fatting on with the old 360 camera. Jules didn't come, he's overdone it again in his scouts. Jules and Bert. The old sunset point in Hampie. There's Jules, look, sitting on his own. Jules didn't even clap, look. Look at Jules, look. Look at him, look.
Sort of high white. Fucking time in around that rock.
Where's Bert? There he is. Where's Jules? There he is.
Yeah, seem sexy person, George.
Sexy man, huh?
Oh, sexy man.
Oh, yeah.
We think so.
Jules came and ordered food on his own. Look what happened. 3 dinners for himself. Look.
Made it all fresh.
All made fresh. He's got, if he leaves it, it's an insult.